Kung Bante entered the room, sat far end of the chair on the right. One of the lawyers of Police Karma stood near at my back. Kung Dan Fernandez put the paper.
Ang chismosa naming kapitbahay!
Ito ang sasabihin mong statement na ito. While pointing on the paragraph on the paper, ito ang supplemental affidavit ni Colonel Garma. Allow me to...
Ang chismosa naming kapitbahay!
Matapos ang House Quadcom hearing na umabot ng 14 hours, dumating ako sa bahay ng madaling araw ng October 23.